Importing class from another file. Before you mark it as duplicate, please read my problem. I am trying to import a class from a file from a subdirectory. And in file.py I have a class implemented, classer. What have I tried? Putting in main.py. I am getting the error. From file import class import error, no module named file. When I try to use just, I get this error. TMP equals classer name error, name classer is not defined. I have put an empty _init_.py in the subfolder and it still does not work, and I have put in the _init_.py from file import classer and still doesn't work. If main and file are in the same folder, this work. From file import classer. But I want them to be in separate files. Can someone tell me what I am doing wrong?
Your problem is basically that you never specified the right path to the file. Try instead from your main script. Or with from folder import file. Or again.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.